Common Core State Standard, 7th grade, Geometry, 1A in the graduation standards. And it says classify triangles by sides and angles. And so we're looking at both sides and angles. There's two ways to name these. And classify by angles. So you know what a triangle is. It is a three-sided, and it also 3 sides and 3 angles, and it's also a closed figure. And the symbol is a triangle, if you can imagine that. So if we want to classify it by angles, there are 3 here. And it's kind of convenient because 3 is prevalent. So a acute triangle is that all the angles are smaller than 90 degrees. So 3 acute angles. So all 3 angles are acute. And if we're looking at the other one, would be a right triangle. So inside that right triangle is 1 right angle. And this is 3 acute angles. And if we look at the last type of angles, and it's obtuse, and it has 1 obtuse angle inside that triangle. And so if by angles, it is 3 acute angles, or 1 right angle, or 1 obtuse angles. Now, if you want to classify it by sides, you're looking at the length of the sides. So we can have scalene, where no sides are congruent. No congruent. Hang on. No congruent sides. So no sides are the same. Isosceles means there are 2 sides congruent, or you can see it by the tick mark. So this side is congruent with that side because it has a tick on each side. And then the third type of triangle by sides is an equilateral, where all 3 sides are congruent. And so we have this side equals this side equals this side. So all 3 sides are congruent. So if you classify them by sides, you're looking at the length of the sides. So it's either no sides are congruent, 2 sides are congruent, or all 3 sides are congruent. Thank you.